Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade apple pie with a juicy, delicious filling and a perfectly flaky crust. It's the ultimate comfort dessert, perfect for any occasion. First up, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 pie crusts, one for the bottom and one for the top. You'll also need 5 medium apples, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of flour or cornstarch. To finish it off, grab 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a little pinch of salt, and 1 egg for that beautiful golden brown top. Now let's get into the heart of the pie, the filling. Start by peeling your apples, then slice them nice and thin. This helps them cook evenly so you don't get any hard chunks in your finished pie. Once they're all sliced, put them into a large mixing bowl. Add in the sugar, cinnamon, and the flour or cornstarch. The flour is our secret weapon to help thicken the filling and make it perfectly gooey. Then, add the lemon juice to balance out all that sweetness, and just a tiny pinch of salt to really make all those amazing flavors pop. Grab a spatula and give everything a good mix until all the apple slices are completely and evenly coated with that delicious sugary spiced mixture. It's time to assemble our masterpiece. Take your first pie crust and gently place it into your pie pan. Make sure you press it into the bottom and up along the edges. Now for the best part, pour in all that amazing apple filling. Spread it out so it's nice and even. Then carefully place the second crust right on top. Seal the edges by pinching them together with your fingers, or you can use a fork to create a pretty crimped pattern. Don't forget this next step, it's really important. Cut a few small slits in the top crust. This allows steam to escape while it bakes, which prevents the crust from getting soggy. For that final professional touch that makes everyone say, wow, we're going to give it an egg wash. Just beat 1 egg in a small bowl and brush it lightly all over the top crust. This is what gives the pie that beautiful, golden, shiny finish when it comes out of the oven. Now it's ready to bake. Pop it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Let it bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. You all know it's done when the crust is a gorgeous golden brown, and you can see that delicious filling bubbling through the slits. Once it's out of the oven, I know it's tempting to dig right in, but you have to let it cool for at least 20 minutes. This is crucial because it allows the filling to set properly, so your slices will hold their shape. All right, the wait is over. It's time to slice into this beauty. You can serve it warm just as it is, or take it to the next level with a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream. There's nothing better. And there you have it. Enjoy your perfect homemade apple pie. I hope you love this recipe. Make sure to save it for later and subscribe to the channel for more easy and delicious homemade desserts. Thanks for watching.